In the land of Armagnac, just a few kilometers from Condom, Larressingle proudly raises its ramparts in the heart of the vineyards. This 13th-century fortified village, nicknamed the Little Carcassonne of Gers, takes you back to its medieval past with its keep, its Romanesque church with 2 naves, its drawbridge, and its golden stone houses that have preserved their mullioned windows and arched doorways. A journey through time, an ideal place to appreciate the charm and gastronomy of the Gers. The heart of the village is occupied by the remains of the imposing private castle of the abbots and later bishops of Condom. The fortified enclosure, said to be one of the smallest in France, has preserved its entire defensive system: moat, former drawbridge, crenellated towers, and ramparts. Built in a pure Romanesque style, St. Sigismond Church is a stopping point for many pilgrims on the way of St. Jacques de Compostelle. This concludes our walk for today. If you enjoy our content, feel free to subscribe and share our videos. Thank you.